Hello viewers, today in this video I am gonna show you how to fix YouTube short like comment share option not showing problem. See here YouTube short like comment option not showing. Let's see how to fix it. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your Play Store, update your YouTube apps. Search bar, now search your YouTube apps. It is already updated. Now go back your home screen and go to your phone setting and follow my step. Scroll down. Now tap one apps. Scroll down. Now search your YouTube apps. Now tap one storage, clear data and cache. Now allow all permission. Now go back your home screen and restart your device. Now click on YouTube apps. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem. Thank you.